Viewers can't skip to key moments in your long Loom videos? Learn to add chapters in just 4 clicks. We'll start in your library, pick the video, then use the Add Chapters button to add and save chapters. Start by clicking on Library to get to your video collection. Then, click on any video that you'd like to edit. Now, click on Add Chapters below the video to open up the chapter editor. Type in the chapters you want to add one by one. Finally, hit Save when you're done, and that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.